Andariki Namaskaram. I'm Samyukta Vishwanathan, and I'm very, very, very grateful to be here with this wonderful team who has given me an opportunity to debut in a really cool Telugu film. I've gotten to work with some legends. Venela Kishore Garu, everybody knows he's a brilliant actor and comedian. Muli Sharma Garu, who is also, they've been very kind to me. And Tagabotru Ramesh Garu, Satya Garu, Rahul Garu and Brahmaji Garu. It's just been such a good experience to act with them and Pavani. So I want to thank Simon King and Ram Jogesh Shastri Garu because and Sanjita. It's an iconic song. It's one song, but it's a very impactful song. And I'm so glad to be, even in the lyrical video, to see my stunts in it. About the stunts, I have to thank Karnakaran Garu, who has been, and the trainer Ramu, who's been so great in helping me train with the stunts very patiently. And all of the fighters, I'm very, very grateful to all of them because they made my experience so easy and comfortable. Now for the actual stars of the show, the director and producer Kirti Garu and Arti Garu, who've also become like friends, and they are a very, very good. It's such a good production to work with. I'm very, very happy to be here in this production and to have my debut with Kirti Garu directing me. It's a wonderful team of ADs, the EP, the stylist. Everybody has been so great, and it's been such a great experience for me. I hope I'm not missing out on anybody. I have to also thank my parents, my family, my little brother, and my grandmother for being huge supports, and above all, God, who's been so kind and gracious and given me these opportunities. Now the movie is in your hands, the audience's hands. I really hope I can be accepted and welcomed into the Telugu audience. మీరు అందరూ ఈ మూవీ చూసి ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారని అండ్ కోరుకుంటున్నాను. Think I got that right. I promise to learn Telugu and speak it fluently by the time I come for my next press meet. Thank you everyone.